Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to install a sliding glass door lock on a sliding patio door. This is model SGD-R35-71x80. Alright, it's pretty straightforward. Just don't drill into your glass. Make sure your door is fully shut when you start drilling your holes. The manual for my door locks, I had to drill an 1/8 of an inch hole, so I'm going to do so. That's horrifying. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the first screw. Because right here I started 2 of them and then I realized I had wiggled it a little bit. So my screw holes are just ever so off. So I'm going to learn my lesson. Make sure that this is in place before I start drilling into my door. Yep, I was a little off. I'm going to hold this up. Make sure that that's straight enough. Yep. Okay, good. And that thing is crooked. Let me get the tool I should have gotten. This is a drill punch. It's like $3 or $4 at Harbor Freight. I always forget to use it. So make sure you use it. Save yourself this headache that I'm now experiencing. Alright, got it lined up and centered and punch. There. Now when I drill that hole, it'll actually be straight. When that goes through, it really goes through. You can see where it's flat and then where it curves to hold the glass. Just make sure you don't drill past the curve or you will hit the glass. Really, if you're concerned about hitting the glass at all, you could just do 2 screws. That's going to be strong enough, and then, you know, that will stop a kid from pulling it open. This thing is not going to keep someone from breaking in that wants to break in through your patio door, because this is glass. It'll just keep the semi-honest people out. You can see I actually had to bend mine because it was impossible to find the right length for this bar. I either went too short or too long, so I just bent this metal in a vise. But anyway, that's why it looks funky. But yours will be similar to this anyway. Make sure you can move it up and down. Actually, I need to cut the bottom off of that, or I'm not going to be able to open it. Or I can just move this up a little bit. Okay. Shut it, lock the latch, boom. No more escaping toddlers. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.